Welcome to my online class. I am Mrs. Sandhya Raje, TGT English from JNV Nanded. Today, let us learn what verb forms are. In order to use many verb tenses in English, you need to know the past forms of the verbs. All verbs have a base form or infinitive. For example, look, make, play. The majority of verbs called regular verbs follow the same pattern and create the past simple and past participle using the same word ending ed, that is ed. There are, however, verbs that have different endings and these are called irregular verbs. Today, you learn the regular and irregular verbs gradually throughout your course, which makes you easier to learn and remember. Here is a how to learn regular and irregular verbs with examples and also some tips on how to remember them. Whenever you are making passive voice or reported speech, you need to know what the third form of the verb is. That is the third form of the verb, past participle, what we call. So let us see there are two types of verbs here, regular and irregular. Let us see what are they. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs in English create the past simple and past participle by adding ed to the base form. For example, play, played. Here just you add ed to make past participle. Regular and irregular verbs in English. Let us see. To roll is a good example of a regular verb. Roll, rolled, rolled. Sometimes the last consonant must be doubled before adding the ed ending. For example, some words have double consonants. Plan, planned, planned. Here you wrote double n. In past participle form also you wrote double n. Irregular verbs. Here word changes. Okay. There is no formula to predict how an irregular verb will form its past tense and past participle forms. There are over 250 irregular verbs in English. Although they do not follow a formula, there are some fairly common irregular verbs forms. Some of these forms are break, broke, broken, cut, 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 sorry, run, ran, run, meet, met, met, come, came, come. So, no rule applies here when you are making past participle. See here, the word broken, break is different, broken is different, and here it remains same in all the tense. Here again there is a change. This is also somewhat different word. Here again come, came, come. Distinguishing regular and irregular verbs. Dictionaries are perhaps the most valuable tool one can use in distinguishing between regular and irregular verbs. If only one form of the verb is listed, the verb is regular. If the verb is irregular, the dictionary will list the principal parts of the other forms. Most verbs are regular verbs. Regular verbs are those past tense and past participle are formed by adding d or ed to the end of the verb. Some words are given here. Arrange, arranged, arranged. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Ask, asked, asked. Attack, attacked, attacked, bake, baked, baked, behave, behaved, behaved, believe, believed, believed. So here you have just added d or ed to make past participle of the verb. There is no formula to predict how an irregular verb will form its past tense and past participle forms. This is the some words for irregular verbs. Be, was, been, were, bore, born, beat, 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 bet, beaten, become, became, become, burst, this remains same in all tenses. Buy, bought, bought, catch, caught, caught, choose, chose, chosen, cling, clung, clung, come, came, come. List of base, past and past participle forms. For common irregular verbs, English verbs have 5 basic forms: the base s, ing, past tense and past participle forms. The past participles for regular verbs are not very difficult because they are the same the past forms as the past forms. The past participles for irregular verbs are challenging. However, because they are sometimes the same as the base form or the past form, and because they are sometimes different from both. Sometimes they are different and sometimes they remain same. Because the base, past and past participle forms are often taught and learned together, I have provided a list below. The base, past and past participle forms for more than 40 verbs are given. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awake, awaked or awoken. These are some examples. Okay, go through it. In order to use many verb tense in English, you need to know the past forms of the verbs. Okay. Cast, cast and cast. These are the examples for irregular verbs. Catch, caught, caught. Okay. Go through all the words. Get, got, gotten. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Thank you.